Pop it in your mouth.
What are you trying to do? I don't know, you tell me, girl.
Listen to him.
Oh my god. I'm walking.
Calm down. You're gonna get
Calm down, girl.
You're drugger. The sad thing is you probably can't even hear it. That's not nice. That's not nice at all.
I want to try it.
No.
It was fun. No, it's
Yeah,
problem.
Then you're like, call me, baby.
Call me, baby.
They're gonna put their number on this thing. They're gonna be like, call me. Call me, beat me. If you wanna reach me. Doesn't matter where, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Call me.
Call me.
I know you want some. Just call me.
And that's the end of the video. Sorry. Bye-bye.